Everyone's talking about castor oil, how it detoxes your liver, boosts fertility, grows your hair, and even reduces inflammation. But what if I told you that you could be using it all wrong, and it might actually be doing more harm than good? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use castor oil safely and effectively without risking irritation, hormone imbalance, or wasted time. Welcome back to Home and Haven Living. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more wellness tips and tricks. Mistake number 1, using the wrong kind of castor oil. Not all castor oils are created equal. If you're grabbing just any bottle off Amazon or a drugstore shelf, you might be getting a product full of hexane, preservatives, or pesticides. Yes, even some labeled pure. What to use instead? Always choose 100% pure, cold-pressed, hexane-free, organic castor oil in a dark amber bottle. That's what retains its healing properties. Mistake number 2, using it directly on sensitive areas without a carrier. Applying castor oil straight to the under eyes, lips, or intimate areas can cause irritation, clog pores, or reactions, especially if your skin is sensitive. What to do? Dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut, jojoba, or almond oil when applying to sensitive skin, and always patch test first. Mistake number 3, using too much, too often. Castor oil is thick, rich, and powerful, but more doesn't mean better. Using it daily, especially for packs or hair, can clog follicles, overdry skin, or cause a detox reaction too fast. Better way, use castor oil packs just 2 to 3 times a week, and for hair, once a week is plenty. Listen to your body. Mistake number 4, not knowing these medical warnings. Castor oil is natural, but it still comes with warnings. You should not use castor oil internally unless directed by a health professional. Also avoid it if you're pregnant, unless cleared by your doctor. It can stimulate contractions. Now, how to use it safely and get results. Here's how to get the real benefits of castor oil safely. For detox, use a castor oil pack on your abdomen for 45 minutes, 2 times the week. For sleep or stress, apply a few drops to your belly button before bed. For hair growth, warm it slightly and massage into scalp once a week. For skin, mix with aloe or a gentle carrier oil before applying. Bonus, the belly button trick. Applying castor oil to your navel may help improve digestion, reduce bloating, and balance hormones. It's a practice rooted in Ayurvedic healing, and it's going viral for a reason. Castor oil is a miracle oil when used the right way. Don't skip these tips if you want real, lasting results. If you learned something new, hit that like button, subscribe to Home and Haven Living, and share this with someone using castor oil the wrong way. And let me know in the comments, have you ever used castor oil and how did it work for you?